A super creamy and really delicious first course. This pasta with chickpeas will have you head over heels. Let's start with a nice sauté. Add oil to the pan along with celery, carrot, and onion. Let the sauté sweat a bit, but keep mixing. Otherwise, it will burn. Now let's cut the bacon. First, cut off the rind, but don't throw it away. Actually, we will add it to our sauté. The rest of the bacon should be cut into thin strips. And let's add the bacon in as well. Allow that to get nice and browned. And flavor it with a bit of chopped rosemary. Let it cook for a few minutes. When the bacon is well browned, deglaze with some white wine. The alcohol has evaporated, so let's add the pre-cooked chickpeas. Season with salt and pepper. We'll add a hint of red to our pasta and chickpeas with some tomato puree. Now let it simmer for 15 minutes. Since the sauce is almost ready, we can throw in the pasta. Add the tomato concentrate to the sauce. Thin out the sauce with a ladle full of pasta water and remove the rind. To make the dish extra super creamy, we'll blend up some of the chickpeas. Add that back into the pan and give it a good stir. When the pasta is still rather al dente, transfer it to the saucepan. Give it a nice stir. Then, we should check how much liquid there is inside the saucepan. In case it needs some more, we can add some. It's all ready, so let's plate it. It's just missing some chopped rosemary. And the indispensable black pepper, and the dish is ready. You guys, what an aroma. Let's taste it. It's so creamy.
Oh.
It's incredible.
Bravo, man.
Try making it.
Ciao.